how to do split view in Chrome. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Google Chrome right here. And then once we open our Google Chrome, make sure that you are using the latest version of the Google Chrome right here. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here into one of our tabs right here. So go into the upper left corner of the screen. And then let's say, for example, that we would like to use this tab right here. So what we're going to do is to right click on it. And then you will see this add tab to new split view. So once you click that, as you can see, we now have two tabs right here in our screen. So let's say, for example, that we would like to go here on the YouTube, go there. And then for this one, let's say, for example, we would like to go into Facebook. So as you can see, we now have two screens right here on our browser. Now, if you want to edit it, all you have to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen, and then you will see this split icon. So all you have to do is to click that, and then you can now choose the separate views. You can also close the left view. You can also close the right view, and then you can also reverse it. So you can just use it right here. Let's say, for example, we would like to close the left view right there. And then after that, that is basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to do split view in Chrome.